Hey everybody, Jesse at Better CNC here. I said I was going to do a video every Friday, and doggone it, I'm going to do a video every Friday. I haven't had a chance to sit down and make a presentation yet this week. Next topic we're going to be going over, we're going to start stepping into quoting software. That's going to be a bit bigger one because I'm still figuring out how I want to format it a little bit. So I figured today I'll do a quick little tour of my main machining area. It's still a mess. I'm rearranging it quite a bit at the moment. But I figured you could kind of take a peek in the process before I do a full shop tour video soon. The whole shop's kind of in flux right now as we kick off a new product line for one of our customers. So I haven't done the other side yet, but once that's done, I'll give you that. But for now, here's the shop side. So when you first walk into the shop, you see the side of the lead well. You got the chip bins and little chip bins for the lead well, the big chip bins for everything. We got the air compressor there, the dryer. And if we turn over this way, and like I said, pardon the mess, I literally just moved all this around not that long ago. But over here, this is becoming our tool crib. Until earlier, this was on the other wall, and it was my main workbench where I would put parts that were about to run and everything like that, and a tool crib. But I'm shuffling it, brought this back out because it just kind of been sitting to the side. But you come in here, and you've got our Microdynamics Mega 30V. You've got our programming station. Write most of my programs in the front office, but this is where we can view it, edit it, tweak it, post it, everything out here for the shop. I'm going to clean off the side so we have a little more work room. We got the yellow bench for Better CNC. And then over here we got the lead well. This is the second machine I got after I started the business. And I had it here 2 days after I got keys for this week. So you can kind of see, turn around this space. We got our tool crib over here where we'll be able to set everything up, prepare everything, bring it right over here so it's ready to set up, so we can set it up on the machines. I do have one cart. I'm going to get probably another one of these. I'm going to look around, might get a different style of cart that can kind of fit under the machines or kind of roll around wherever we need it to be. But this is our main workspace. Both machines are about 8 feet apart from front to front. We have our sink, we have our coolant, we have our first aid kit. Back this way, I'm not even going to look back there because I've just got a new shelf as well, so it's going to be reorganized. But that's our material area where we cut it up, store everything for jobs. And yeah, this is where the magic happens. So we got our drill index, we have all our taps, we got some random knickknacks like our stops, air fitting, stuff like that in there. This drawer is going to get reorganized as well. I 3D printed all these trays originally. Decided not a big fan of them. I'm going to change it up, find another way. If you have any ideas or want to show off what you got in your shop, either post something in the comments with the link, email me at youtube@bettercnc.com, and I'll talk about it in a video and kind of show the evolution of all this as we go through everything. But yeah, we have that drawer. We have all the new tools, stuff still in the boxes, things like that goes in here. We have all our parallels in this drawer. All 1/4-20 hardware and clamps. This is becoming a deeper drawer. I might move to a deeper drawer, but this is where I'll put whirly burrs and blades, Scotch-Brite, sanding pads. This is all my 1/2-inch hardware. So big beefy toe clamps. Some of the stops that came with the Pearson work holding. And then here, let's say the first drawer down is wrenches. This is the wrenches we use on a daily basis multiple times. So everything for our ER collets, taking off pull studs, drill chucks, everything like that. This is all basic hand tools. This is mallets and clamps. Down here is big plates, fixture plates. So like Pearson work holding, Saunders Machine Works, all that's in here. It's going to get reorganized as well once I get my material shelf on the other side done. And over here I got taps. So I got taps up top, and anything bigger than a 1/4 inch tap or an M8 goes into this drawer because it's taps that I don't use as much. But we want to still want to have them around. And then this has become my drawer for everything index tooling. So I got, about to say, the bodies, the inserts, the tools for it. Everything like that lives in here. And then our tool holders themselves are all up here. Most of our holders are Tagara. We have a couple Haas drill chucks. And we have some, I believe it's Pioneer. I got Pioneer kits with both my big machines. We have a little whiteboard nearby so we can mark down tooling that we have to buy right there on the spot. I got my thermostat so I can make sure we keep it around 72 degrees just for temperature control, poster, all the usual stuff. But yeah, this is the little shop. This is where all the action takes place over at Better CNC. If you got any questions, comments, feedback, want to show off what you got, because I'm definitely going to do videos in the future talking about what other people show me, then comment, message me, send me an email at youtube@bettercnc.com. Otherwise, I hope everyone has a good weekend. Get ready for a good video going over quoting and quoting software or something like that next Friday. Have a good one. Bye.